Alright, hi. I was reading the final ruling for Part 229 and Part 238, but it doesn't seem like they match up. One's a more of a kind of a FRA docket number. But these are actually the Code Federal Regulations. Part 229 Railroad Locomotive Standards. Subpart A, general scope of applicability, 229.4, information collection, 229.5, definition, 229.7, prohibited acts and penalties, 229, movement and non-compliant locomotives, 229.11, locomotive identification, 229.13, control locomotives, 229.14, non-multiple unit control cab locomotives, 229.15, remote control locomotives, 229.17, accidental reports, 229.19, prior waivers, 229.20, electrical record keeping. Subpart B, inspection and testing, 229.21, daily inspection, 229.20, periodic inspection, 229.25, testing every periodic inspection, 229.27, annual testing, 229.29, air brake system calibration, maintenance and testing, 229.31, main reserve testing, 229.33 out of the use of the credit. Subpart C, safety requirements, 229.41, protection against personal injury, 229.43, exhaust battery gases, 229.45, general condition, braking system, 229.46, brake general, 229.47, emergency brake valve, 229.49, brake main reserve system, 229.51, aluminum main reserve, 229.53, brake gauges, 229.55, piston travel, 229.57, foundation brake gear, 229.59, leakage, drafting system, 229.6, draft system. 229.63 lateral motion, 229.64 plain bearings, 229.65 spring rigging, 229.67 trucks, 229.69 side bearings, 229.71 clearance above the top of the rail, 229.73 wheel set, 229.75 wheel tire defects, electrical system, 229.77 current collectors, 227. 229.79 third rail shoes, 229.81 emergency pole shoe installation, 229.83 installation grounding metal parts, 229.85 high voltage markings due to the door cover plates and barriers, 229.87 hand operated switches, 229.89 jumper cable connections, 229.91 motor generators, internal combustion engine, 229.93 safety cutout devices, 229.95 venting, 229.97 ground fuel tanks, 229.99 safety hangers, 229.101 engines, steam generators, 229.103 safety working pressure factor for safety, 229.105 steam generator number, 229.107 pressure gauge, 229.109 safety valves, 229.111 water valve flow indicator, 229.1133 warning notice, 229.11.4 steam generator inspection testing, cab equipment, 229.111.5 slide slip alarms, 229.11.7 speed indicators, 229.119.11.9 cab floors passenger, 229.121 lab cab noises, 229.123 pilot snow plows and end plates, 229.125 headlights auxiliary lights, 229.127 cab lights, 229.129 locomotive horns, 229.131 standards, 229.133 interim locomotive conspicuous measuring auxiliary external lights, 229.135 event recorders, 229.137 sanitation general requirements, 229.139 sanitation servicing requirements, 229.140 alerters, 229.141 body selectors, multiple unit locomotives. So Part D, locomotive crash worthiness design requirements, 229.201 purpose and scope, 229.203 applicability, 229.205 general requirements, 229.206 design requirements. Alright, 229.207 new locomotive crash worthiness design standard change of existing FRA approved locomotive crashing worthiness design standards. 229.209 alternative locomotive crash worthy design. 229.211 processing petitions. 229.213 locomotive manufacturing information. 229.215 retention and inspection of the design. 229.217 fuel tank. Subpart E. Locomotive electronics purpose in 229.301 purpose and scope 303 applicability 305 definition 307 and safety analysis 309 safety critical change of failure 311 reviews of the SA 313 product testing results record 229 315 operation maintenance and manual 229 317 training qualification program 229 319 operating personal training Appendix A, Part 229 form, the FRA 618049A note. Appendix B, Part 229 schedule of civil penalties. Appendix C, Part 229 FRA locomotive standards code of the defects and notes. Appendix D, the Part 229 criteria for the correct certification craftworthy event recorder memory module. Appendix E, Part 229 performance criteria of the locomotive crash worthiness. Appendix F, Part 229 recommendation practice design and safety analysis. Part G, Part 229 reserved. Part H, Part 229, static noise testing protocols and caps, static. Authority, Title 40 U.S. Standard Code 103322A 20103, 20107, 2090102, 21301, 21302, 21311, 28 U.S. Standard Code 2461 note, and Title 49 U.S. Standard Code 1.89. Sources, Title 45, you've had to register 21109, March 31st, 1980, unless otherwise noted. Subpart A, General.